What is a microservices securities, right? And how to secure your microservices? This is one of the major requirement and major aspect. And security is one of the most important factor here when you are implementing a microservices. So there is a two important things we need to understand problem faced by the basically a microservices, right? So when user is basically logging to your application in the resources here, right? So in this that time, user should not be asked for multiple times for login here. So the verification should not be required each and every time, right? To trying to access these resources. This creates a problem here, and the user detail might not be secured, also could be accessed by the third party. Another scenario is when a client sends a request and that need to be verified, and also the permission given to the client need to be checked, right? So when you use the microservices, it may happen that each and every service you have to authenticate and authorize the client here, right? So these are two major challenges here. Now to do this, developer might use same code for each and every service here, but don't you think it's basically a challenging, and it is a cost overhead, right? So we need to implement the security into proper ways.